Stay calm. If your child is coughing, that's really good. Use your hands to clap and encourage them to keep coughing until the object clears or until they're unable to cough because of a fully blocked airway. If your child is unable to cough and they are still conscious, line them up along the length of your arm, face down towards the ground. Hit them firmly in between the shoulder blades 5 times. If that doesn't knock the object out, flip them over and compress their chest firmly 5 times. If you can see an object, gently scoop it out with your fingers. If you're unable to get the object out, simply repeat the 5 back blows and the 5 chest thrusts until the object comes out and your child is breathing independently or until they go limp. If your child is limp and their chest is not rising and falling with breath, I want you to put them on a hard surface such as the floor or the table. You're going to start compressing their chest with your fingers in the center of the chest, firm and steady. Here we go. Now, as you find that rhythm, you need to press 1/3 to half the depth of their chest. You are not hurting them. You are pumping their heart for them. That is very important. If your child is big enough that your fingers won't get to that depth, I want you to start using 2 hands to get there. Now, we're going to add some oxygen into your child's system. Here's how we're going to do that. We're going to tilt their chin up towards the ceiling. We're going to use our mouths to seal over their mouth and nose. You're going to give a gentle breath, trying to raise their chest. Here we go. Good. Do it again. Go back to chest compressions. Now, if you haven't called 911 yet, I want you to shout for help and get somebody to make that call for you. If you're alone, I want you to run to the phone. Take your child with you. Place them on a hard surface such as a countertop and continue providing chest compressions and breaths while you make that phone call. We're going to add oxygen into your child's system again. We're going to try giving them another breath. Here we go. Chin up towards the ceiling, mouth around their mouth and nose. Give a gentle breath, trying to get their chest to rise. Good. Do it again. As best as you can, I want you to find a groove of approximately 30 chest compressions to 2 breaths, compressing the heart and adding oxygen into their system as best as you can. If at any point you see an object pop up in their mouth, I want you to scoop it out of there. And what you're going to do is just hold the fort. You're going to continue doing this either until your child is breathing independently or until help arrives. Let's add some more breaths. Here we go. Chin up, mouth around the mouth and nose. Good. Do it again. You are doing a fantastic job. Keep it up. I believe in you.